because I might sound different because I got cold. And found this Hoover food out on my YouTube channel, and I said to my nan, and I was just getting my jacket, I said, look, I found the Hoover. This is what gets me the worry. It smells like, please don't ban me YouTube to say this word. I'll give you £100. I always say that. It smells like cigarettes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this Hoover. I don't know if somebody was hoovering up a chimney. But it's the Hoover Whirlwind. That's what I expect. I can't show you honestly. Oh my gosh. Let me just turn it over. If you want to read that, you can pause the video. These Hoovers are old now, because can you remember in Grimsby Tesco's, if you go to there, they used to have one of these, and I might show you a picture of one, but I have one now. It's so, I like looking at it. I don't know why, when I first bought it, I can't stop looking at it, and I'll show you the filler. This is your back filler. You just take off this. Oh my god. I've got to push it off the wrong way. Oh, the hassle. Holy man. Sorry. I said holy. Shout out for Tommy, one of Oliver's cousins. Ollie, if you're watching this, you're the best friend. I can't say any shout outs, only Tommy. Sorry. Don't tell Zach this. If you're at my school, he does not know about my channel. And he said, your channel's fake. No, it's not. Even Matilda hears this. She needs to log off her iPad and tell her mum. Say, can I not go to local school? That will be good. Because she keeps saying, YouTube channel's only for 16 people. I said, no it's not, that's a lie. But, see here, this is your filter. Oh. Right, just clicks it. Now, you just slide this, the bin comes out with your with this filter. If you have one of these, they're amazing. Try one. It does need some new pants, and so you can't do a Vax one. Got some troubles. My brush bars do not work, but I only have one. It's a Vax Rapid, and let me show you. In the bushes, I found that blue pneumatic there, missing the head, and I don't know what shall I do. Oh, I don't want the head sending, and might do a video soon on my birthday, because it's mainly my birthday, and everybody, when I ever do my video, say happy birthday to Logan, and I might show you my dad's getting me a card. Well, I don't know whether he's not, but like Christmas, mum's, or dad's gives you Christmas list. I'll say, what do you want for Christmas? I'm having a birthday list. So what to say? Oh, it's clip-on pedal. Oh, sorry, sorry, I have a cough. I hope it. Wait, I might try this, but not yet. Bye for now.